NoiseSync is an advanced technology for acquiring and processing airport noise measurements. Noise is measured by a Class 1 sound level meter, and acquired data is recorded by an arm. Noise data is then sent to a central server, where it's processed by the NoiseSync software. NoiseSync is able to identify every single noise event possibly associated with an aircraft movement. In order to further increase the precision and reliability of the outputs, NoiseSync can use several time markers, among which LTOs, radar data, and timetables. LTO, for example, performs independent measurements, which rule out non-avionics noise events. Where available, radar data can be used as well to discriminate aircraft movements. In this case, X, Y, Z, and time are taken into account. In other cases, actually flown timetables can be used. Using NoiseSync core outputs with any of these time markers, NoiseSync will produce matched cells and final noise metrics, like DNL and LDAN. All these data can be later used to calibrate INM models in order to increase output accuracy. Of course, outputs can also be seen as standalone databases, tables, and graphics. Access to the final data can be granted to internal resources or to the public.